Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Philip Russell, aka The Real Slim Shaggy. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a Pete's Pirate Life drop item. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get right to it. Let's unbox this item. Now, I already know what it is because I went on the drop, but I'm so excited because it's another piece of clothing from Pete's Pirate Life. Oh, yeah, I totally forgot. Oh, what? No, it's actually in a bag. Oh, that surprised me. I was like, wait. And this is a good quality. Look at that stitching, that embroidery. That is a cool touch. So I not only get a, oh, I kind of ruined the surprise. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look, it's a trucker hat, neon orange with the Fly the Flag logo. Oh my gosh. Now, it's probably gonna be way big. Yeah, hold on. Watch me struggle for 2 hours. Oh my gosh. It doesn't really go with this outfit. I forgot to change, but yes, this is gonna be my new favorite hat. Pete, you did great. I love it. I love it. And you know what? This is an extra touch. This makes it worth it. This is so cool. I can hide all of my, like, I don't know what I'm gonna put in this. Camera equipment, I don't know, sky's the limit. So that was the unboxing of Pete's Pirate Life trucker hat neon orange. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, smash that like button, 2024 style. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any one of my videos. So just remember, spread love, not hate. When life gets blurry, adjust your focus. And until next time, peace. Missed. I'm just gonna go. Oh. This is Pete's Pirate Life Fly the Flag hat. Take one A mark, B mark,